What's up, guys? So today we're gonna do a 6-month ownership review for the Subaru STi. It's a 2018. I want to just share with you guys what the experience has been for me. Previously, I've owned a 2016 WRX, and let me tell you, it's a completely different car having a WRX and an STi for obvious reasons. But the WRX does have its qualities, but the STi also does have its qualities. So I'm just going to talk about what I love about my car. I've seen some reviews where people talk about their dislikes, and I will add some things that I might not like about my car, but like I said, just dumb little things, because I love this car. I love this car. I bought it for a reason. So let's get to it. Alright, so what do I gotta say about my car? I love it that it's a 4-door. I love it that it has bucket seats. These seats are amazing. We got the ultra suede. My car came with rubber mats for the winter time. So my car came with the mats. It came with the sun visor for the windshield. The car came with a lot of good stuff, and this is basically the base model. There's no sunroof. I didn't really care for the sunroof. Adds more weight to your car. Seat belts, little simple things, like seat belt color. I love my seat belt. Matches the interior of the car. I love my seat belts. Came with the 19-inch wheels. I love my wheels, 19-inch. I love the tires. I absolutely love my calipers, 6-piston calipers. What I don't like, it's a love and hate situation again. They get dirty, super dirty. So it just finished raining out here in California and Los Angeles. There was a little storm, storm, and now the sun's out. It's bipolar as fuck out here. It can rain one day and it can be 80 degrees the next day. So I love LA. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll see that I did get 20mm spacers on my 19-inch wheels, so they don't seem sunk in anymore into the wheel well. They're pretty flush to my fenders. I love that. So in the future, I will be getting some wheels. Who doesn't like the hood scoop on this car? Who doesn't like that rear wing? Look at that spoiler back there. It's so huge. Give you a better look of the wing. I love the wing on my car. Every single time I look at it through this rear view mirror, I know I'm in my sports car, my dream car. So I love the wing. Those are the parent stabilizers. I've done a few things. I'll go through all my mods in another video, but for now I want to talk about, like I said, 6 months in. I'm at about 5,600 miles. I love driving it, hitting gears. When I'm in the daily, I should do a review on my daily. If you guys want to see what I drive to work, and if you even want to know what I do for work, I can do another video for that. And the reason why I chose to get a daily for my job. If I wanted to take my car to work every day, I can, but I choose not to because of what I do. And so I did get another car. This car handles super good. Any curvy road, this car can handle it at high speeds. The stability on this car is amazing. Trunk space, this car has it. I've put a bunch of stuff in my trunk. It's actually really dirty right now, so I do not want to show you guys. I have a lot of stuff in the trunk. I have my car wash kit. I have my car cover. What else do I have back there? I have my bags, pairs of shoes. It's crazy back there. I love the trunk space. I can bring down those seats back there with those hooks on the right and left side of them. I can bring down those seats and fit a 7-8 foot I don't know, whatever, surfboard or whatever. I don't surf. I am from LA. I do live in Los Angeles, but we're not all surfers out here, okay? So, and I'm not the surfing type, whatever. So another thing I love about my car is this little button right there. Makes my life so much easier. I just keep my key in my pocket. This is my key. This is from my old Subaru. That's why this is so old. but I just keep this key in my pocket. I've never lost it. I've never misplaced it. All I gotta do is push that button and we're good. So big plus. The flat bottom steering wheel. I love the piano black accents on this car. With these, it's a love and hate situation. It's dirty. I love this. The black, piano black. I love it, but it's a love and hate situation. And that is why I carry this guy on the side of my door. Because the dust it collects is nuts. I guess we'll get into the things that I pretty much can live with, but I don't like. First off is this dust. The piano black accents. See? The screen, whatever. But anyways, I could live with that. It's just that's, you know, one of the cons, I guess. I love the screen, how big this is. The speakers are not the best, but it's okay. We can upgrade those. I love the gauges on my car. My extra turbo right here. So this is, let me turn this on for you guys so you guys can see how much extra turbo I got. Show you guys. So when somebody wants to go ahead and, you know, race me, they know I got a turboed out car. But what they don't know is that I got a spare turbo over here. And this right here gives me an extra 50 horsepower. So, you know, they might see my car. They're like, oh, it's stock Subaru STi. I got this. It's only 300 horsepower. No. You think again. I got this guy right here. And check this out. All I got to do when I race is turn on my air conditioner. And when that happens, check that boost. Boom. Boom! Come at me, bro! Check that. Race car! We gotta cool off the turbo. Cool it off. We're cooling it off because, like I said, it's only for racing. When I want to hit that extra 50 horsepower, that's what I use right there. Don't fuck with me. I'm averaging 18.9 miles per gallon. That's pretty much the only thing that I'm like, whoa, I wish I can get more mileage for my gallon. My daily gives me at least 35. It's an older car, it's a 99. I'll do a review on it. But it gives me 35. So when I see 18.9, it hurts the pocket, it hurts the wallet. That's pretty much it, man. Like, I love this fucking car. I love the car. Anybody that's out in the market and they're like, should I get the Subaru STi or should I get the WRX and boost it up and modify it to make it as fast or faster than an STi? If you're up for the challenge and the projects and you got the resources and you got the funds, do it, man. You know, it's an expensive fucking car, but to those who really want something, set up that goal. The law of attraction is amazing, and set up your goals and get it. Work hard for it, bust your ass off, and get what you love. What I always tell my friends, I have a friend right now shopping for a car, but he's not pulling the trigger on one yet because he's trying to find another job, or he's trying to figure out his whole, you know, financial situation. And I mean, this guy owns a house and he has a Honda Accord. It's already, you know, it has its years, so he wants to upgrade and he's looking into a Subaru Legacy. I told him, go for it, man. Subarus are reliable, super fun to drive, and just being a part of the Subaru community, you're gonna love it. So he went ahead and looked into that and the new Honda Accord. My thing was, bro, and this is for everybody out there, buy your dream car when you have a chance. If you're still debating because maybe your anxiety kicks in and you're scared to make a big commitment on something that you love, of course, figure out your finances, figure out your work, your employment. You got to secure that. But once you have that down and really you're dying to drive your dream car, and it's a realistic car, it's a realistic purchase, figure out how to do it. Figure out how to get that car. Save up your money, whatever it is. Start setting up your goals. Don't go crazy in the weekends spending money, and get your freaking dream car. The way I live my life is, and this is what I told him, is bro, tomorrow we pass, God forbid. We're always driving, we're always on the road, there's always accidents. Tomorrow we pass, and what are we doing? What did we do? We didn't do anything. We didn't drive our dream car. You didn't get to experience and live by, you know, by having the things that you really want. If it's a possible purchase and realistic dream car, go for it. Drive it meanwhile you're young, you know. Why are you gonna have a sports car when you're 70 and retired? Nowadays you can't retire at 55 or 60. You're gonna retire at 70. So by then you're gonna start getting your retirement fund, if there's any, and then you're gonna be a 70-year-old in a Corvette. Live today, plan for tomorrow for damn sure, and just live a fair life, man. Like, treat yourself. You deserve it. If you know, if you're into cars and you're not into drugs, then fuck, spend your money that way. But everybody has their own share, own take. You guys tell me what your opinion is. That's just the way I kind of live my life, and that's why I did what I did when I got my first Subaru. I was like, I don't want to be 50 and then buy my Subaru. I want to experience it now. I was in the okay position. I busted my ass off in school. I'm busting my ass off at work, so why not, you know? So do what you gotta do, treat yourself. You're not gonna live forever, and you're not gonna be young forever. So anyways, enough talking. Those are the things I love about my car. Hardly anything I don't like about my car. So if you have any questions about some mods that I just got, like my cover for my my dashboard cover, or anything, where I got it, all that stuff, hit me up on the comment. I'll let you know about, you know, where I got anything in my car, my spacers, my dash covers, all that stuff that I've done to my car. I'm gonna do a review on the spacers because I've been rolling on them for the last 2,000 miles, I believe, and I have a lot of hits on that video, a lot of questions, a lot of comments. So I'm gonna do a review of my spacers. I'll shoot some videos on the wheel well. I'll do that video next and keep loading some content. So hope you guys enjoyed this video of my 6-month review on this car and how I love this car. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.